to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Be it festivals or special occasions, we love making those sweet treats. Today I'm going to share a wonderful traditional Andhra sweet recipe. This is called Bellam Gavvalu, which literally means Jaggery shells. Well, it's a nice, sweet and crispy snack. So let's get started and check it out. To make these sweet treats, take a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of Maida, mix in 1/4 cup of fine Sooji Rava, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and combine well. Add 3 teaspoons of melted ghee and mix everything thoroughly. Once the ghee is mixed in, the texture should resemble breadcrumbs. Gradually add water in small amounts and knead to form a soft palatable dough. Be careful not to add too much water. Once the dough forms a smooth ball, apply a thin layer of ghee on the surface. Cover the bowl and let this rest for about 15 minutes. After resting, divide the dough into small marble-sized balls. Using a gnocchi maker, we can make these shell-like shapes. Just place a ball on the gnocchi maker and gently press it to get the shape. Repeat until all the dough is shaped. If you don't have this tool, you can also use the back of a fork and do the same process to get the shell shape. Heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the shells gently, a few at a time, and fry on medium flame until golden brown and crispy. Remove the shells and let them cool completely on a plate or a tray. In a pan, add 1/2 cup of jaggery, it's a 125 ml cup measurement, and 1 tablespoon of water. Heat the mixture until the jaggery dissolves and forms a syrup. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and stir well. Add the fried shells to the syrup and mix gently to ensure all the shells are evenly coated with the jaggery. Once coated, transfer the shells to a plate. Separate them immediately so they don't stick to each other. That's it. There is your crispy and delicious Bellam Gavvalu that you can enjoy. Follow all the steps to get this sweet treat perfectly. You can make this for any festivals or any special occasions, and they make for a wonderful sweet snack. Well, I have a plate of these beautiful shells here. Wow, these treats look so amazing. Time to taste. Oh my goodness. Fabulous. Can you hear the crunch? The shells is so crispy and crunchy. It's got that lovely glaze of this thin glaze of the jaggery, that mild sweetness. Wow, it's just perfect. I'm loving it. Well, here is a wonderful sweet treat that you can make not only for festivals but anytime. Make sure you store it in a nice airtight box so they will be nice and fresh. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.